Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Introducing the all-new Nothing Phone 3A. With a breathtaking 6.77-inch AMOLED display, the Nothing Phone 3A brings your content to life like never before. Experience exceptional clarity even in direct sunlight, thanks to its impressive peak brightness of 3000 nits. Whether you're scrolling through social media or watching your favorite movie, everything looks incredible. Enjoy your content with unparalleled fluidity, courtesy of the 120Hz refresh rate. Say goodbye to lag and hello to smooth scrolling, instant app launches, and responsive gaming. And with an astonishing 1000Hz touch sampling rate, your touch commands are met with lightning-fast responsiveness, allowing for a seamless interaction with your device. Capture your best angles with the 32MP selfie camera. Whether it's a quick snap or a full-on photo shoot, your selfies will always shine. The Nothing Phone 3A is equipped with a versatile triple rear camera system. At its core is a stunning 50MP OIS primary lens that ensures crystal clear photos, even in challenging lighting conditions. Expand your perspective with an 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens, perfect for those panoramic shots or group selfies where you want to fit everyone in. And for those moments when you want to get closer, the 50MP telephoto lens features 2x optical zoom, 4x lossless zoom, and a remarkable 30x ultra zoom. Capture every detail from a distance without sacrificing quality. Whether you're snapping a sunset or taking a portrait, the Nothing Phone 3A ensures your memories are captured beautifully. Elevate your smartphone experience with the Nothing Phone 3A. Unleash creativity, explore new perspectives, and enjoy the future of mobile technology in your hands. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.